Hello. We have a question on the board, and this question happens to be implicit function. And if you look at the question said x squared plus y squared equals to 25. Find the y, the s. So remember, when we are solving or we are working on differentiation, you remember we normally differentiate with respect to x. But in terms of implicit functions, what we do, of course, we find the derivative of this expression with respect to x, as well as if y, remember y is a function of x. If y is here in the expression, what we need to do, we are to differentiate everything, find the derivative of everything. But that of y, we now have dy dx attached to it. Also, if you look at the question, it said find dy dx. So what it means is that we're going to have our solution having like this, dy ds equal to, then that will be our answer. Because they say find dy dx. We want to make it come to this way, whereby we'll have dy ds equal to this. So now, to solve this, as I mentioned earlier, we are going to differentiate each of these expressions one by one. We differentiate x squared, y squared, 25. And if we are doing that, if we are differentiating the one with y, you are going to include dy ds to it. Okay, so let's go. So this one, of course, we know that s squared is 2s when we find the derivative of this. Then plus y squared is going to be 2y. Remember I said you must attach dy all over dx to it equal to the 25. If you are differentiating a number without having x or y, that is 0. Okay, so we have arrived somewhere. We want to find dy dx. In order to do this, all I need to do, I will move 2x across the equality to this other side of the equation. So it becomes 2y dy over dx, that is this one, equals, since I'm moving this, it will become negative 2x because it's crossing equality. It used to be positive, since it's going that way, it's going to change to negative. Then from here, if I want dy dx to stand, because we're looking for dy dx to get our answer, I will divide both sides by 2y so that this guy will stand on its own. So I will now say divided by 2y, this is 2y. So this can cancel this, and I have dy dx. Now the question mark, that's what we need to have here. So if I divide this, 2 can divide 2, I'll have minus x all over y as my answer. So this is how we work on implicit functions. Okay, so this is the first example. Let's take another example and see.